Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Zoliswa, and to officially join my YouTube family, please click on that subscribe button and also do personalize the notification bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. I'm back again with another hair tutorial. Today we are doing another ponytail. This time around I said, you know what, let's take it to the top. Let's not do a slick back one, let's do like a top knot one. You want to go ahead and section out your hair exactly as I did. You don't really have to do a middle parting. This middle parting is from that previous ponytail. After washing my hair, the parting was still there and I was like, oh my goodness, how am I gonna close this? So it's not necessary for you to do a middle parting. You just section out your front part of the hair or just your hairline, and then you want to go ahead and apply your Dark and Lovely styling gel. So I've applied my styling gel on clean hair. I have just recently washed my hair. I didn't apply any moisturizer, but I do advise you to base your scalp, especially if you are going to last long with the ponytail. For me, I'm just doing it for the weekend, and then after that I'm gonna remove it. So that's why I didn't to be quite honest, I'm no longer into edges like that. I just did the edges because the ponytail is just a simple ponytail and it's quiet. There are no bangs, there's nothing, but if it wasn't for that, I was just gonna do like a straight ponytail with no edges. After drying your hair, you want to go ahead and braid your hair, and then you tie with rubber bands. Then you take the very same hair I used the last time, you use it to do your ponytail again. You basically do the same thing we did the last time. You sew in the hair right around your bun. After sewing in your hair, you want to go ahead and take your gut to be glued, and then you spray it around the bottom part of the ponytail, and then you section out the hair that you are going to be using to do a band to cover the wefts. Protect your hair from getting heat damaged with your Tresemme heat defender. You apply it on your hair, and then you want to go ahead and straighten the hair exactly as I am doing. Initially I wanted to leave this ponytail straight, but because of the length I feel like it was too short and I didn't like how it looked. I decided to curl it at the bottom because I didn't like how it looked with its length. I was like, you know what, let me just do curls at the bottom to make it look more nicer. But obviously I liked it more when it was curly. But if the hair was longer, I was going to just let it hang without curling it, but because it was short, I said, you know what, let me just curl the hair. And I love how it turned out. It looked so good. I love it so much. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what tutorial would you like to see next, be it a hair tutorial, makeup tutorial, lashes, anything that has to do with beauty. If I can do it, I'll do it for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you all so much. I'm gonna see you on the next coming video.